Hi guys, there is one thing which always confuses me, that why do people practice intraday trading? Why are they in such a greed? Why are they in such a hurry to earn money? Intraday trade is when an individual buys a share with an intention of selling the same share on the same trading day. You won't believe it. I have actually seen people selling their shares after 3 hours, 2 hours, an hour, after 5 minutes. Why? Because as soon as they see a $1, $2, or maximum $5 profit, they sell out. And whenever they get a loss, they don't sell. They hold the share. They hold it for the next day, then the coming day, then the coming week, then the coming month, and then they become long-term investors. Imagine that. The share you bought for just a day is with you for a long-term investment now. Disappointed intraday traders are the ones who always turn into long-term investors. And come to think of it, it's actually rare to find a person who intentionally invested to stay in the long run, to stay in for the long-term investment. In 2009, Satyam Computers, one of the most well-respected and well-established IT Indian companies, the same share crashed by 80% within a matter of hours. From the price of 180, that share hit to a price of 31. Everybody is in always such a hurry. They all want to earn money quickly. They all treat the markets as an ATM. You swipe the card, take out the money, go home, and it's done. But I'm sorry, life doesn't work like that. Stock markets especially don't work like that. Stock market and stock exchange of every country open every morning of every weekday. There's ample amount of time and the markets will give you ample amount of opportunities. Just keep your eyes open. It is difficult to predict things in the long run. Then it must be next to impossible to predict things in the short run. A well-renowned analyst may go wrong whether the markets will be bullish or bearish after 6 months. Even you can't be sure about the climate outside after 6 months. Then how can you be sure of the markets after 2 hours, after 3 hours? It is just luck. One unexpected event and all intraday traders are wiped out within minutes. And these type of events are very common in these era of markets. In the end, I would advise you to always have a clear thinking. Always be clear when you're investing, whether you want it for short-term, long-term, intraday purposes, be clear. And if you are still dead set to trade intraday, my suggestion to you is that please clear off your position at the end of the trading day. Do as things are planned. In my experience, people who play in intraday always lose in intraday. People who play in the long run don't care about intraday. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.